Why is UX important? UX is important for a lot of, I would say every brand out there, because it is not only the products that sell. It's not about the products which these companies sell. It is about the whole experience. So some of the brands over here, if you look at it, Apple, to say something, Coca-Cola, Domino's, I would say Kingfisher, all these brands have not only created good products, but they have curated amazing experiences about it, around it, basically, not about it, around it. You can, like when you expect, or when you pick up an Apple product, you expect that ease of use. You expect that, when you start using Apple product, you will not have any niggles. You just have to open, let's say in the case of MacBook, you just have to open the screen and you can start working at the go. You start, like you buy a iPhone from them, you can start using them without any problem. All you have to do is just open them and start using. And this is what makes even a physical product really, really good. Now, I think somebody over here said they wanted to go into product design. I would say UX can also help you in product design, because the reason is UX gives you those tools to understand what the users want, what is the pain points they're facing with the current products, and what are the aspirations of how they want to use, or how do they want to use that product. Now, if you are able to understand using user research, so there is a step in the whole UX process where we say we do user research. Now, user research is very important, where we talk to the users, we get their feedback of what their exact requirement is, and then you create a solution to match that. So just giving an example how UX can also help you become a good product designer.